Vignan Nagar. It's a 2 BHK brand new property, and the facing is east facing. And here we can see this is the living room, and the kitchen is open type kitchen. So everything is modular type, and below are the cabinets for stuff. So here both water are available, Kaveri as well as borewell. So this is balcony, and this portion is for your washing machine. So the point is inlet and the point is outlet. Here they have given one more cupboards. We can see each and everything from here. It's little bit inside from the Vignan Nagar main road, and it's very close to Bagmane Tech Park, CV Raman Nagar Bagmane Tech Park. It's a bedroom with attached washroom. So these are cupboards. It is 16,000 including maintenance, so there are no other maintenance charges extra. So it's a washroom. So it's a bathroom, attached bathroom. Now let's enter into the second bedroom. It's a second bedroom. So both are same in dimension. It also has attached bathroom. So both are attached washrooms. So you can see the bathroom with the dado tiles, and everything is, as I said, that brand new. And also it has a balcony as well. Yeah, from here we can access balcony, and we can wash our clothes here as well. As I have this